Go faster.
Okay.
Go downhill and do it.
Huh?
Do it downhill. Do it from there down. Please? It'll look cooler if you do it there.
Alright, I'm gonna try about Willie again. I'm gonna try about Willie. Did I do it?
No. That's what I want to see. I want to see you wipe out so bad. You have to actually be going.
I can really stop with Willie.
No, because you're not even doing it, because if the bottom of the board is touching the ground, it doesn't count. Do what I was doing.
Something like
Exactly like that.
that. Okay.
But you gotta go downhill while you're doing it. If you stop, it doesn't count.
Oh man, I messed up.
That's why I'm telling you, go downhill, and it'll be easier. Now do it. Oh my god, Aiden.
Okay, I'll do it now. Okay.
Get speed, get speed, get speed. Now do it. Down, now, now.
Oh, that's
Here, I'm done. Here.